In-car enrolment. Select the CarNet tile in your Volkswagen's infotainment system. The online configuration wizard will now start. If you haven't yet established an internet connection with your Volkswagen, you will be asked to do so. Depending on the variant of your navigation device, you have the option of a Wi-Fi hotspot with your smartphone, your car stick, or a SIM card. This may incur additional costs. There's an active internet connection when a globe symbol is displayed in the top menu area. You will then be guided through the registration process. You will be asked for personal data such as your name, your email address, your country of use and a password of your choice. Finally, you have to accept the terms of use to complete your registration. You can agree to our marketing policy in order to always be up to date. When you have successfully entered your data, you will receive an email requesting you to complete your registration. If you don't receive an email, please also check your spam folder. Click on the confirmation link and then switch to your Volkswagen's infotainment system again. Now activate your CarNet access by logging in with your email address and your password. Depending on the equipment variant, your available CarNet packages will be displayed in the next window. Confirm the general terms and conditions and click on Finish to complete your CarNet contract. The initial license is free and the contract will not be extended automatically. A click on OK closes the configuration wizard and completes the registration. You will find written instructions and help with setting up an internet connection at www.volkswagen.com/carnet.